Mark Iger, and I want to give an update on an application I'm working on. It's a microservices app, and have several modules here: medication, blood pressure, using Spring Cloud Gateway. I'm also using Spring Security, using Keycloak and Angular. The current module I'm working on now is for providers. It's developed using Spring Boot 3.4.4 and Java 24. And I'm also using GraalVM to build a native image to run the application using native as a native image. I do have it up and running without Spring Security. I failed to mention that I'm also using Spring Security. I basically removed the Spring Security part and compiled the native image and was able to get the application up and running. If I compile it, use it with with Spring Security, though, I'm having an issue and working through that. But here's the image here. Provider, this is my snapshot, and then the name of the image is simply at providers. Docker logs providers. You can see that's running here on port 9015. So if using HTTP, go to 9015 and then providers. I get back a list of providers that I've already added in the database, as you can see here. And I also have this up and running using Keycloak and Angular here. So let me just demonstrate that is working. So if I go to localhost 9000, that's my gateway. If I log in using Keycloak, if I go in here, you can see that we can browse providers here. I can also find a provider by ID, or using the UI here. 54, if we go up here, it's 54. Currently, so what I did a little bit of research and found that a couple of, documentation that requested, that provided details with the reflection configuration, JSON file content, and resource configuration file content that might provide what's missing to get this up and working with Spring Boot security. So I have my Spring Boot security here. Right here, and I'll add the actual filters once I get this up and working with Spring Security. As I mentioned, I have the controller here, and we're definitely using security to map the records to the user logged in through Keycloak. I've got that. As I mentioned, I've got this that I'll be adding. This is new. and then I have this. And that's it for now. I'll give an update pretty soon. Thanks.